Chamomile is an herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Some of the benefits of chamomile include supporting heart health. Chamomile may help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Boosting the immune system. Chamomile contains compounds that have been shown to have immune-boosting properties. This can help to support overall immune function and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Reducing inflammation. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it useful in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the skin, joints, and digestive system. Supporting digestive health. Chamomile is a natural digestive aid that can help to soothe the digestive system and reduce symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders such as gas, bloating, and indigestion. Improving sleep quality. Chamomile tea is often used as a natural sleep aid due to its calming properties. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can help improve the quality of sleep. Supporting skin health. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to soothe and protect the skin. It's often used in skincare products to help reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation. Overall, chamomile is a versatile herb with many potential health benefits. It's generally considered safe when used in moderation, but it's always important to consult with a healthcare provider before using any herbal supplement or remedy. Chamomile is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. However, like any herb or supplement, chamomile can have side effects in some individuals. Here are some potential side effects of chamomile. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to chamomile, which can cause symptoms like skin rash, itching, hives, and difficulty breathing. Drowsiness. Chamomile can cause drowsiness, especially when consumed in high doses or in combination with other substances that also cause drowsiness. Interaction with medications. Chamomile can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, sedatives, and antidepressants. If you're taking any medications, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before using chamomile. Stomach upset. Some people may experience stomach upset, nausea, or vomiting when consuming chamomile, especially if they have a story of allergies to plants in the daisy family. Skin irritation. Applying chamomile directly to the skin can cause skin irritation in some people. Chamomile can be used in various forms, including tea, capsules, essential oil, or typically as a cream or ointment. Here are some ways to use chamomile. Chamomile tea. One of the most popular ways to use chamomile is by making tea. To make chamomile tea, steep a chamomile tea bag or tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink chamomile tea 2 to 3 times a day. Chamomile capsules are available in health food stores or online. Essential oil. Chamomile essential oil can be used topically or in aromatherapy diffusers. Dilute the oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil before applying it to the skin. Topical cream or ointment. Chamomile creams or ointments can be applied topically to the skin to soothe skin irritation, such as eczema, rashes, and acne. It's important to note that chamomile is generally safe when used as directed, but it's always best to consult with the healthcare providers before using chamomile as a supplement or in concentrated forms. Additionally, it's important to choose high-quality chamomile products and avoid chamomile if you are allergic to the plant or any related plants. In the Asteraceae family.